What's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're gonna see that how to recover a deleted conversation from your Instagram. So let's suppose you were using Instagram and for some reason or by mistake you deleted a conversation and now you want it back. So how to recover it? So basically I'm going to show you don't need any third-party applications. It's just few easy steps. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your Instagram is to the latest version of Instagram is installed on your phone. Go to your Play Store or App Store and simply search for Instagram, and then from here make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your phone. Once you made sure of that, now what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app. So just go to your Instagram app. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to go to your profile. Once you're on your Instagram app, what you need to do is go to your profile. And once you're in your profile, now what you need to do is you need to click on the three dashes on the top right corner, right? Click on the three dashes. And after that, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, right? Click on settings and you'll end up on this page. Now what you need to do on this page is go to the search menu, the search bar, sorry, and type in download. So once you type download the information, this option will be available below. So now what you need to do is at the search result, click on download the options, and now it'll say that get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram basically, and they would ask you to enter your email. What you need to do is enter your email, and once you enter your email, now what's going to happen is basically within 40 days, it might take up to 40 days or less than 40 days depending on the amount of data you have on Instagram. It's gonna create an archive of it and send you that or email you that through a zip file, and from the link you can download that. So what you need to do is enter your email and click on request data. Now what will happen is basically it'll ask you for the password, right? Because it contains the personal information. They can't provide it just right away. You enter the password and they'll email you the information in an archive, and from there you can basically see that what things you have shared on Instagram, what have been happening on your account, all the activities and all the likes and comments and the messages that you have sent. You basically get all the data there. So and from there you can just look at the conversation that you wanted back on Instagram. So this is a trick where you can get or recover your deleted messages from Instagram. So that's it from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question regarding this, and subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.